Hello everyone, start off by drawing this dinosaur. In order to do so, make this C shape and then draw a 6 shape underneath it. Now connect it at the back to a long tail, add legs at the back as such, and then add arms on the side as such, and then draw the detailings of the arms, and then add eyes on one of the sides as such. Color it in, and then add a cute little smiley face to it. Add the back of the scales as such, and then afterwards fill in the belly once you are done. That is, add multiple horizontal lines to it as such. Now once you are done with this, take your marker and then slowly begin to fill it in and color it in. Make sure that you don't overlap the lines. Now add little polka dots all around the back of your little dinosaur. Next, we'll start off by drawing this almost triangular leg shape, and now fill it in by drawing these spike leg shapes as well. Add an ovular shape on top of this and then draw 2 spike leg shapes behind it as well. These will be the ears. Add a little snout to the front, add the shape of a 6 in the back, add the detailing to the tail as well, and then you should have yourself a fox. Next, start off by drawing the number 9 and then underneath it, draw a straight line as such. Now underneath this, add legs to it and then draw the rest of the body, add the eyes and then draw the mouth. The mouth can be distinguished by drawing a curved line as such. Now, add the little antenna of this. This will be a giraffe. Add the back to it as well. Add a little tail as well. Next, we'll start off by drawing a 2 and then add a little circle beside it. Add another circle behind it as such and then add an ovular shape to cover the 2. Now add ears to the back of this, add eyes, a cute little snout and a mouth as such. Now once you've connected the rest of the tail, add little whiskers on either side as such. Add the detailing like you would for a tiger. Add the little bumps at the back and sort of polka dots and do this all around. Next, we'll start off by drawing a bunny. In order to do so, we'll start off by drawing the circular shape, add a 6 shape right behind it, and then afterwards draw the arms and then a little leg as well. Add the ears to the top and then add the eyes, add a cute little smiling face as such. Now after this, draw the lines to it, take a pink marker, fill in the ears as such, that is the middle portion of it. Now add little blush on either side and color in the carrot. Next, we'll start off by drawing a circular shape and behind it add multiple more circles. This will be in order to draw our little worm. Now after this, add 2 little circles in order to mark the eyes, and then afterwards add antenna, add a little smiley face to it as well, and then add legs at the back. Add little legs all around. Now draw the square-like shape, add ears to the top of it, and then add little tail at the back. Add eyes to it, and then add little hands to it as well. After you have done this, you may add a cute little mouth to it, and then make sure that you draw a zigzag tail as we are drawing Pikachu, and he has a very distinct tail. Make sure that you draw this distinct mouth as well. Next, start off by drawing one semicircle and then another one behind the other without drawing the base. Now connect the base for one of them, add legs underneath it, and now connect the rest of the head to it as well. Add a little tail to it as such. After this, connect the legs on the other side as well, add eyes, and then fill it in as such. Thank you for watching.